bed.
OE flywheel.
Yeah, OE do mass, 30.4 pounds. Switching over to a ZSPEED aluminum flywheel. So you're looking at, 12.2, like less than half the weight. So naturally with single mass flywheels, moving from dual, you get the chatter, but I got the ZSPEED quiet disc, which is supposed to help with this. So worst case, I'll probably hear it at idle, but other than that, from what everyone else says, that you normally don't hear it at any other RPMs besides idle, and it's very tolerable, so it's not too bad, which is why I decided to get the aluminum over the steel. I got the OE pressure plate and the OE flywheel. Cheap shit. Coming out to be 17.8 pounds. So, yeah, ZSPEED stage 2. It's a full face organic clutch, so coming out to be about the same. And the reason why I went with this one is just a little bit holding capability over the stage 1. So that was mainly it. But it's a very streetable clutch disc, and it's fairly firmer over stock. So everyone who has gone over to the stage 2 says that it's a very manageable, streetable clutch.
And what's making it quiet, you said?
I don't know what specific part of the disc, but this is the quiet disc option. I don't know if it's got the arrangement of how this is designed helps it with the chatter, but yeah, there's something about the design in this that helps with it, or it could be the friction material. But yeah, so this is the quiet disc option, because I don't think the design part of it will be in the pressure plate. But yeah, that is interesting. I don't need to clean the back. The back is just being bolted. It's the surface, front surface that matters.
So much upgraded bolts, Dave.
Huh?
So much upgraded bolts.
Oh, yeah. So when I bought the kit, I decided to do the heavy duty flywheel bolts. This is a stock. It's a torque bolt, torque style. This is the upgraded, so this is definitely much easier to use because I don't have any of these tools.
Yeah, OEM torque spec is 65, but these heavy duty ones are at 68 to 72.
Look it down.
Single mass flywheel.
In. And some Loctite. This in your booty hole. Oh shit.
Oh, you too
Recording? Fuck.
Got our brass bushing pressed in there. Pretty even with the surface.
I hope.
Torque. So we're gonna do 40, then 60, then 70.
Yeah, I'm just lighting it up now.
It's that cool little black washer there. Replaceable friction surface. dope that, huh?
Funny.
Alright, 40 hit. Just put another socket on the end of the breaker, on the end of the crank. As he turns it.
I'm turning it. I'm turning it.
Muscle man.
You holding it?
Yeah,
You holding it with?
my left hand.
Yeah, that sounded wet. Yeah, my bathroom is open.
Alright, trying to get this clutch and pressure plate on here. Clean both surfaces pretty good with that brake cleaner. Alignment tool. If you notice, it says TM side. We're guessing that's transmission. So, yeah, baby.